Vancouver rundown for Thursday, February 19, 2026. Close to 36 BC healthcare workers snooped into the medical records of the victims being treated following the Lapu Lapu Festival attack. A report from the Office of the Information and Privacy Commissioner for BC finds close to half of those injured had their privacy breached while being treated at various hospitals and healthcare facilities. The Commissioner is recommending Vancouver Coastal Health and Fraser Health institute stronger measures to prevent future breaches. On April 26 last year, the driver of an SUV hit a crowd of people leaving the festival. 11 people died, 30 others were hurt. Other news, BC's ambulance paramedics are a step closer to strike action. Members of the Ambulance Paramedics of BC, QP 733, have voted 97% in favor of job action to push their demands for a new contract. The union plans to outline its next steps during the noon hour on Thursday. Langley Abbotsford MLA Harman Bangu will be adding his name to the list of those seeking the leadership of the BC Conservatives. Bangu says he'll support BC's working people who need someone to stand up for them. He is now the 11th Conservative to enter the leadership race to replace John Rustad, who stepped down following an internal coup. The BC government has rejected a desperate plea from Surrey's police chief to delay the transition away from the RCMP in the Cloverdale neighborhood. Chief Norm Lipinski had blamed his department's inability to hire enough officers on the city's escalating extortion crimes. However, BC's Director of Policing says the transition in Cloverdale is expected to be complete by April 1st. The Surrey Police Service has been struggling to transition to complete coverage ever since being approved as the force of jurisdiction by the provincial government. A mix of sun and cloud in the forecast for Thursday, cloudy on Friday, showers for Saturday. For all the details on these local Vancouver area stories, along with those links, go to vancouverrundown.substack.com.